Hey TikTok fam, are you ready to take your account to the next level? Building a successful TikTok account requires dedication, creativity, and engagement with your audience. Here are some tips for growing your TikTok account organically. Create unique content. Make content that stands out from the crowd. Find your niche and create videos that resonate with your target audience. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Consistent posting helps to keep your content visible and increases the likelihood of gaining followers. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, follow other users, and engage with trends. Building a relationship with your audience can encourage them to stick around and interact with your content. Use hashtags wisely. Use relevant hashtags to make your content discoverable to users who are interested in your niche. Research popular hashtags within your niche and use them strategically. Collaborate with others. Collaborating with other TikTok creators can help expose your content to a new audience. Look for opportunities to collaborate with creators who have a similar audience or content style. Optimize your profile. Make sure your profile is complete and includes a clear profile picture, bio, and link to your other social media accounts or website. Stay up to date with trends. Keep an eye on trending topics and challenges on TikTok and create content that capitalizes on them. Participating in trends can help increase your visibility and reach. Use captivating thumbnails. Pay attention to your video thumbnails. Choose engaging frames that entice viewers to click on your video. Utilize TikTok challenges. Participate in popular TikTok challenges or create your own unique challenge to attract attention from a wider audience. Optimize video length. Experiment with different video lengths to see what works best for your audience. While TikTok videos can be up to 3 minutes long, shorter videos often perform better due to shorter attention spans. Create tutorials or how-to videos. Share your expertise by creating tutorials or how-to videos that provide value to your audience. Educational content tends to perform well on TikTok. Cross-promote on other platforms. Share your TikTok content on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube to attract followers from different audiences. Host live Q&A sessions. Interact with your audience in real time by hosting live Q&A sessions. Collaborate with local businesses or influencers. Collaborate with local businesses or influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience and gain credibility. Create duet or stitch videos. Use the duet or stitch feature to interact with other users' content. This can help you tap into their audience and increase your exposure. Share behind-the-scenes content. Give your followers a glimpse behind the scenes of your life or creative process. Authenticity builds trust and loyalty among your audience. Experiment with trending effects and filters. Stay up to date with the latest effects and filters on TikTok and incorporate them into your videos to make them more visually appealing. Use TikTok ads strategically. Invest in TikTok ads to promote your content to a targeted audience. Experiment with different ad formats to see what generates the best results. Respond to comments with videos instead of replying to comments with text. Respond with short video clips. This adds a personal touch and encourages more engagement. Create series or storylines. Keep your audience coming back for more by creating series or storylines that unfold over multiple videos. This encourages viewers to follow you for updates. Run contests or giveaways. Encourage engagement and attract new followers by running contests or giveaways on your TikTok account. Offer prizes that are relevant to your niche to attract the right audience. Share user-generated content. Encourage your followers to create content related to your brand or niche and share it on your account. This not only fosters community engagement but also provides you with free content. Optimize posting times. Experiment with different posting times to see when your audience is most active. Analyze your TikTok analytics to identify the optimal times for maximum engagement. Create evergreen content. Create content that remains relevant over time, rather than focusing solely on trending topics. Evergreen content has a longer lifespan and can continue to attract views and followers months or even years after it's been posted. Engage with TikTok trends outside the app. Stay informed about TikTok trends even outside of the app. Follow TikTok-related accounts on other social media platforms or read articles about TikTok trends to get inspiration for your content. Offer exclusive content to followers. Reward your loyal followers by offering exclusive content or sneak peeks that are only available to them. This encourages more people to follow you for access to exclusive content. Using trending sounds on TikTok can be an effective strategy to grow your account and attract more followers. Here's how you can leverage trending sounds to your advantage. Stay updated with trends. Regularly browse the Discover page on TikTok to identify trending sounds. Pay attention to the sounds that are consistently appearing in popular videos. Create content around trending sounds. Incorporate trending sounds into your own videos. You can use these sounds as background music, for lip syncing, or as part of a dance routine. Make sure your content is relevant and fits well with the sound. Put your unique spin on it. While it's essential to use trending sounds, adding your unique twist to the content can make it stand out. Whether it's through your performance, humor, or creativity, find ways to make your videos memorable. Be early adopters. Jump on trending sounds early to maximize your reach. The earlier you use a trending sound, the more likely your video will be discovered by users browsing through that sound's page. Join challenges and hashtag trends. Many trending sounds are associated with challenges or hashtag trends. Participate in these challenges and use the associated hashtags to increase the visibility of your content. Create series or sequels. If you find a trending sound that resonates with your audience, consider creating a series of videos using that sound. This can help keep your content consistent and build anticipation among your followers. Stay authentic. While it's essential to keep up with trends, authenticity is key. Make sure the content you create aligns with your personality and interests. Authenticity builds trust with your audience and encourages them to follow you for more content. Monitor analytics. Keep track of how your videos using trending sounds are performing. Analyze metrics such as views, likes, shares, and follower growth to understand what resonates best with your audience. Experiment with different genres. Explore a variety of genres and styles of content when using trending sounds. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of videos to see what works best for your audience. By incorporating trending sounds into your TikTok content and adding your unique flair, you can attract more followers and grow your account effectively. Posting frequency can indeed impact the growth of your TikTok account. Here's how posting more frequently can attract more attention. Increased visibility. Posting more frequently increases the chances of your content appearing on users' For You pages. The algorithm favors active accounts, so the more you post, the more likely you are to reach a wider audience. Engagement boost. Posting multiple times a day keeps your audience engaged and encourages them to return to your profile for new content. This regular interaction helps build a stronger connection with your followers and can attract new ones as well. Content variety. Posting multiple times allows you to experiment with different types of content and see what resonates best with your audience. You can try out various formats, themes, and trends to keep your content fresh and interesting. Consistency signals. Consistently posting content signals to the TikTok algorithm that you're an active and committed creator. This can improve your chances of getting featured on the For You page and gaining more exposure. Maximizing opportunities. TikTok's algorithm rewards frequent activity, so posting more often gives you more opportunities to capitalize on trending topics, challenges, and hashtags. This increases your chances of reaching a larger audience and gaining traction quickly. Staying top of mind. Posting multiple times a day helps you stay top of mind for your followers. When they see your content regularly, they're more likely to engage with it and share it with others, which can lead to increased visibility and growth. Timing optimization. Posting at different times throughout the day allows you to reach audiences in different time zones and with varying browsing habits. Experiment with posting times to see when your content performs best and adjust your posting schedule accordingly. However, it's essential to maintain quality over quantity. While posting more frequently can increase your visibility, it's crucial to ensure that each piece of content is well crafted and resonates with your audience. Focus on creating engaging, high-quality content that adds value to your followers' experience on TikTok. Posting time can indeed be important for maximizing the reach and engagement of your TikTok content. Here's how you can determine the best posting times for your account. Analyze TikTok analytics. TikTok provides valuable analytics data for your account, including when your followers are most active. Access your TikTok analytics by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner of your profile page, then selecting Analytics. Look for the Followers section, where you'll find information about your followers' activity patterns. Experiment with posting times. Once you have insights into your audience's activity patterns, experiment with posting at different times throughout the day. Try posting during peak activity hours when your followers are most active, as well as during off-peak hours to see if there's a difference in engagement. Monitor performance. Keep track of how your posts perform at different times of the day. Pay attention to metrics such as views, likes, comments, shares, and follower growth. Analyze which posting times generate the highest engagement and reach for your content. Identify patterns and trends. Over time, you'll start to notice patterns and trends in your analytics data. Identify the posting times that consistently yield the best results for your account. These are the times when your audience is most receptive to your content. Use external tools. In addition to TikTok's built-in analytics, you can also use external tools and platforms to analyze your account's performance and identify optimal posting times. Tools like SocialBee, Buffer, or Sprout Social offer insights into audience behavior and can help you optimize your posting schedule. Don't forget to like, share, and tag your friends who need to see this. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep shining bright on the TikTok stage. See you in the stars, TikTok fam.